Hey there, fellow breath enthusiasts. Feeling like your airways are throwing a rave with all the wrong tunes? Let's ditch the inhaler dependency and explore holistic approaches to empower your respiratory system and silence those pesky wheezes. Buckle up, we're about to unveil some transformative tactics. Think water is just for mermaids? Think again. Hydration is your asthma bestie. It thins mucus, making it easier to cough up and say hasta la wheeze to chest tightness. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Imagine it's your superpower fuel. Feeling sluggish? Time to unleash your inner athlete. Regular exercise strengthens your lungs, improves stamina, and reduces inflammation. Think brisk walks, swimming, or dancing like nobody's watching, because they probably aren't. Wink, wink. Ditch the junk food, fuel your body with plant power. Fruits and veggies are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that fight inflammation and boost your immune system, your asthma's ultimate kryptonite. Think colorful salads, roasted veggies, or fruit smoothies. Get creative and delicious. Carrying extra weight puts pressure on your lungs, making breathing harder. Losing weight, even a little, can significantly improve your asthma symptoms. Talk to your doctor about healthy weight loss strategies. It's a win-win for your body and your breath. Remember, it's not about achieving some unrealistic ideal, but about feeling your best and breathing easy. So, fellow breath enthusiasts, let's conquer those wheezes and embrace long-term solutions for breezy breathing.